Select Committee kabla thau kerpang man pishar bnya halor ka Meghalaya Residents Safety and Security Bill arja khan rio haka nyotrik nailur kala shong jingelang khaddu pat pen bana sundon bayakan ka bill kanlit ban rano haka dorbar sunrai kaban sedang lasai ka singi khandai tarik nailur nakaban taban yo ek jingmenjur nakayeng ka badan ripongot kinong tho an pan pelong an no yaka kani ka Select Committee kadan hapok ka jingelam menteri rangba kejelau Dr. Mukul Sangma haringkat bagi MLA nakaliang sensyar kentubru nakaliang persya habai kran bikinong tho khubor hadin balawai ke jingelang menteri rang baulong ka komiti kaladap ban Pynbit Pynbiang yakati ka bil kabladap ban rateng haka dorbar kabla ai jingmut badai ban IT biang syaka Select Committee ban shong ban bishar bat ki jingduna ki badan bat ki kendon ba per
That Select Committee has been able to exhaustively deliberate on the bill and met appropriate observations, suggestions and recommendations vis-a-vis the bill. And today we have been able to ultimately finalize as to how the proposed bill has to be appropriately amended for the consideration of the August House. And the Select Committee will look at the final recommendation on the first day of the session immediately after the House rises and will propose for placing it before the August House for the consideration of the August House within the ensuing autumn session of the State Legislative Assembly. So this is where we are now. So the responsibility that has been vested on the Select Committee, we feel as a committee that we have been able to do justice to this responsibility by virtue of the fact that at least if we consider the fact that the bill was recommended to be referred to Select Committee by the August House in the last session, and as we are again preparing to attend the ensuing autumn session, we'll be very happy to place this recommendation of the Select Committee for the consideration of the August House.
Dr. Mukul ong ka committee kadap ta kajing sarong pakalala man pendap yakani ka kam hapok ka por ka babiang kata hadien ka jingshong jingelang ka bakha padang gidkhot pat ka balala panyatai sani kumno ban Pynbit Pynbiang yaka.
Now whatever modification will be required to be incorporated based on the exhaustive deliberation of the Select Committee will eventually be placed before the August House for its consideration. So any bill, any proposed bill in its original form or in its amended or modified form need to be shared only when it is presented before the August House. So till such time when we will be given the time slot for placing it before the August House, which will be at the discretion of the Honorable Speaker in as far as the business for a given day is concerned. And on that day, we will be submitting this recommendation, and that will be the time when we will have the privilege to have the knowledge about every clause wherever certain modification has been recommended by the Select Committee. So that is the status. Okay.